Hi, this is Sandy, and I'm here to share a couple pages I've made for hashtag Make Art with Martha at Martha Makes Art. And I am catching up on some of the older prompts. And the first one is green. And so I just pulled some ephemera out of my stash, and a lot of it had to do with greenery, green leaf, and looks kind of like a cactus flower, some different cactus and some trees. And that's what I did for my page that is green. And then for the page that says rabbit and bunnies, there again I went into my stash and pulled out some bunnies that I had and put them on this page. Some of them were stickers and some of them weren't. I just glued them on. But this is my page for rabbit and bunnies. And then the next page I did was Celestrial. And so I printed out this picture off of my computer. It was an image, a free image on my computer, and printed it out. And then I put some washi tape around it to frame it. And then I just added some gold stars that I had for that page. And then the next one was birds. And so I had these birdhouse stickers with birds, different kinds of birds. So I use those for my birds page. I love birds, and I love the different bird houses. So that's my page for birds. So thank you for watching my video.